Hi, I'm Jordan, and today we're going to take a look at how to sign in, followed by changing our CrashPlan backup file selection. In this example, we'll be adding an external drive to our backup file selection on Windows. To start backup, after installing the CrashPlan application on your device, you'll first need to log in. If you haven't already set up two-factor authentication by now, you'll also be prompted to do so. Backup will automatically begin after logging into CrashPlan for the first time, and will include all user directories and their contents by default. For enterprise customers, the file selection is locked by default. To unlock the file selection, navigate to your organizational settings and unlock the setting. To change your file selection, click on the Manage Files button. From the menu that appears, navigate to the drive, folder, or files that you want to add to your backup file selection. Because I'm adding an external drive in this example, I'll need to navigate to the top level of my device's file structure by clicking on the device's name. I'll then select the empty box next to my E drive to add my external drive to my file selection. After you've selected everything you want to be backed up, click the Save button. The CrashPlan application will automatically initiate a scan on all locations selected for backup. Once the scan runs to completion, a backup will run, including any files within the file selection that have been identified for backup in the previously run scan. After this backup completes, the CrashPlan application will continue to back up changes made to files within your file selection as configured. And that's how you change your backup file selection with CrashPlan. For additional assistance with your file selection, or other CrashPlan related questions, feel free to contact our support team. Thanks for watching.